Here's Dunno. He's in pretty bad shape after what Bob did to him. That bastard. When he wakes up, we'll give you guys an update. Well, we got the 71 Chevy in the shop and we're stripping it apart. Got Cousin Bob, got Paratrooper Dan, got Cole Rider.
Oh, you just scratched the paint.
Fuck you. It's my paint.
Yeah.
What's going on, Paratrooper Dan? Huh? Huh? What?
Yeah, buddy.
Hey,
Yeah, buddy.
Canada's winning 1-0 against the US. Second period is almost over.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, bud. I don't care. Oh shit, bud. You guys already got your side off? Holy fuck.
Oh yeah, she's all dipped there, bud.
Yeah, bud.
Yeah, bud.
Do it? Oh yeah. Dan's doing the Harlem Shake. Okay, so we got the front half off. We're about to pick the box up.
Who got the front half off? Dan and Bob. Dan and fucking Bob.
Yeah, but Bob killed Dunno. But Dunno's not dead. He's in the hospital. We'll show you. Once he's a little bit better there, he's in the fucking IC. Holy fucking you, son of a b. Well, we're getting the box off. All the bolts are off. Dan said there's a little something holding us up there. Now we can get attention now when we're done. Okay.
He said stop being a vagina. I don't know. Dog's all full of snow, buddy.
When Terminator's around, cab bolts don't stand a chance.
You got her?
Yeah.
Come on. That came right off. Hey,
Action.
calm down.
Calm your tits. Make sure everything's loose. Wait. Lines and shit.
Hey.
Fuel lines.
Pass me some wire snippers.
Or just a knife.
Or a knife.
A kniff.
A kniff.
Yeah, cut those two lines. Is there anything else?
There's kniffing that has to happen. There we go. Some big fucking
Holy shit, bud.
Some shijos. That's what we call it. Shijos.
There's one.
That's metal. We can't.
Yeah, down there, right
You
there.
can't cut the metal.
Oh yeah, bud. Holy fuck, you just went out for a rip, didn't you?
I did. I pooped my pants a little.
Okay, let's go up front here and see if anything else is holding it in place. That's a Speedo. Unzap that 10 bolt right there. You might want to keep that. Leaves one bolt away from having a chassis.
Oh, bitch.
You fucking. I'm Chevy powered. We got air tools, but we're being fucking old school right now.
Two-man job in here. You can do it! Unscrew that fucking bolt.
Maybe you should have put the light on.
No light. Right, Bob?
No light.
No light.
All right, what are we doing?
Drinking.
Why are you drinking?
The cab's off.
This cab is technically off. Still touching. I wonder if it's like the kind of cab that likes to molest frames.
Took that too far.
Yeah, a little bit too far. Okay.
Too far.
Beg my pardon. Cheers. Where's your gurgle?
Chooch it.
Cool. Happy Eve.
Yep. Got a line gonna snap there soon. Some electrical there. You bought a belt in there.
Get started.
All right.
That's trailer wiring.
How are we gonna get past the point of balance?
Dan really wants to go swinging.
This falls there.
Hey.
I'm fucking running and laughing.
Hey, is that considered an air ride? How you feeling right now? It's like
Take her out of here.
Riding on there, bud.
is that like the Duke's Hazard or something? You fucking jumped the cab right off her.
Fall asleep in there.
Swing back and forth there.
Them swinging back and forth.
No, like this.
Whoa, whoa, don't touch that! Bob! Fucking touching it.
What's wrong, Dan?
They're gonna fucking die!
Rock my Danny in the cab top. When the hoist goes, Dan will shit in his box. That was awesome, buddy. High five.
Oh, fucking. That was funny. Glad the chassis was under there.
Never seen a fat man move so fast.
Bob!
God damn it, Bob.
Oh, shit.
Awesome.
Oh, I can't.
He's gonna have a fucking hernia.
He's gonna fucking laugh a shit out of his ass.
You wanna go for a rip, Bob?
Yeah, Bob, you go in there. Well, fucking teeter-totter. Oh my god, I don't know. Did you say something? Oh my god. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
Am I alive?
Well, you're as alive as a skull can be.
My fucking head. Oh.
Do you even remember what happened?
What happened?
You don't remember at all.
Bob was there, and then it's all dark.
Well, you and Bob got into an argument, and I don't know what happened. You wanted him to put you down, and he didn't, and you bit him, and you went flying, and you broke. They kind of patched you up a bit, bud.
Did he bleed?
A little bit.
Good, fuck him. My head hurts like a son of a bitch.
Okay, well you just concentrate on getting better, bud.
I can't see anything.
I know you're all bandaged up.
When they come off.
I'm not sure. We're gonna have to ask the doctor, bud.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you got anything to say to your fans?
YouTube.
They're pretty worried.
YouTube. I'm alive, and I'm gonna get Bob.